Crafting natural science drafts, the right approach. Hello, budding scientists and curious learners. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of academic writing, particularly focusing on the drafting and revising process in the natural sciences. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of how to draft and then revise your scientific papers. Remember, writing is a journey, and revision is your trusted map. Drafting is the initial step in the writing process where you put down your thoughts, ideas, and research findings in a structured manner. Think of it as sketching before painting. You're laying out the general picture first. First drafts are never perfect. It's essential to understand that your first draft doesn't need to be perfect. It's just a starting point. Free writing. Allow your thoughts to flow without worrying too much about grammar or structure. Organize your ideas. While you shouldn't stress perfection, it's good to have a general flow. Begin with an introduction, followed by methods, results, discussion, and conclusion. Revising isn't just proofreading. It's about refining, reshaping, and ensuring that your writing conveys your research findings accurately and compellingly. Revising for content. Ensure that all the necessary information is present and that your arguments are clear and supported by evidence. Revising for clarity. Ensure that your sentences are clear and concise. Remove any jargon or overly complex terms. Feedback is gold. Have peers or mentors review your draft. External perspectives can often see things you might miss. Here are some actionable steps to guide you. 1. Start early. Give yourself ample time for both drafting and revising. This isn't something you want to rush. 2. Take breaks. After drafting, take a break before you begin revising. Fresh eyes can spot errors or areas of improvement more easily. 3. Use tools. There are numerous software and tools out there to help with grammar, spelling, and even style. While they shouldn't replace manual revision, they can be incredibly helpful. 4. Stay updated. In the realm of natural sciences, new findings emerge regularly. Ensure your references and information are up to date. 5. Keep your audience in mind. Tailor your writing to your intended audience. Are they fellow scientists, the general public, or students? Your tone and language may vary based on the readership. Drafting and revising are two pillars that uphold the integrity and clarity of your academic writing in the natural sciences. Remember, every great writer was once where you are now. With dedication, practice, and the tips we've discussed today, you're well on your way to producing stellar scientific papers. Keep writing, keep revising, and never lose your curiosity. Hope this video has illuminated your path a bit more. Until next time.